This is the final demonstration with respect to the technical seminar of 8th semester for the academic year 2020-21. This is the final presentation with respect to batch number 14. Sai Kiran, you can proceed.
Thank you, sir. Hi, myself Sai Kiran. I am from Rao Bahadur Mahapaleshwarappa Engineering College from Computer Science Department. I am here to present a seminar on the topic of G5 technologies under the guidance of Naveen Kumar sir. Here are the contents of the seminar. Introduction, network evolution, how G5 is developed, why G5 is used, working of G5, comparison between Bluetooth and G5, Wi-Fi, features, disadvantages, applications, conclusion and references. Introduction. First of all, what is G5? A G5 is a gigabyte wireless technology which is used for wireless communications at a data rate for more than 1 billion bytes per second. Gigabyte is the world's first transceiver integrated on a single chip that operates at 60 GHz on CMOS process. G5 allows wireless transfer for audio and video data up to 5 GB per second. It plays a main role for high-speed large files transfer within a second. G5 is 10 times the current maximum wireless transfer rate, usually within the range of 10 meters. Network evolution. Network evolution, first there were the cables, next it is an optical fiber, wireless access, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WiMAX and G5. How G5 is developed? It was developed by Melbourne University based laboratories of NICTA, National ICT Australia Limited. NICTA develops a world first transceiver in semiconductor technology for the wireless home and office of the future. Why G5 is developed? It removes cables that for many years ruled over the world and provides a high speed data transfer rate. The reason for pushing the G5 technology is because of slow rate, high power consumption, and low range of frequency operations for earlier technologies. Working of G5. G5 is G5 uses the time division duplex for transmission and receiving data files and up converted from IF frequency to radio frequency GF 60 GHz range by using two mixtures. Fed this to the amplifier which feeds millimeter wave antenna. The incoming RF signal is first down converted to an IF signal centered at 5 GHz. Then normal data ranges. Use heterodyne construction for this process to avoid leakages due to direct conversion. Due to availability of 7 GHz spectrum, the total data will be transferred within a seconds. The man behind the G5 technologies, Professor Stan Stakidis of Melbourne University. Here's the comparison between G5, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Data transfer rate is 5 GB per second of G5, 11 MB per second Wi-Fi and 800 KB per second Bluetooth. Range 10 meters for G5 technology, 100 meters for IEEE, Bluetooth and Bluetooth SIG. Development start date G5 is 2004, Wi-Fi 1990, Bluetooth 1998. Power consumption less than 2 megawatt, 10 megawatt and 5 megawatt Bluetooth. Frequency G5 is 57 to 64 GHz, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 2.4 GHz. Primary devices of G5 technologies is mobile phone, home devices, electronics, etc. Wi-Fi, notebooks, computers, desktop computers, servers, etc. Bluetooth, mobile phones, home devices, electronics, and etc. Here are the features. High-speed data range. High speed. The main invention of G5 technology provide higher bit rate. As name indicates itself, data transfer rate is gigabytes per second. Speed of G5 is 5 GB per second. Lower power consumption. As per the amount of information transfer, it utilizes milliwatts power supply only. Cost effective. Sorry, high security. It provides more security. It provides like It provides link level, service level security where the features are optional. Cost effective. G5 based on an Air International Standard mass adoption of the standards, and this uses a low cost down cost down dramatically. The resultant integrated wireless transceiver chip which transfers data at high speed, low power at low price. Small size. The chip is small size. The chip has just 5 at each side. Quick development. Development of G5 can be completed in matter of minutes compared with hours for other solution. High portable. It is high portable. We can construct whatever we want, wherever we want. Disadvantages. The main disadvantages is it supports a short distance about at 10 meters due to high attention. G5 signals are easily blocked by objects due to lesser operating wavelength. RTS signals are not used in G5 technologies unlike Wi-Fi standard. Applications. Household application. It makes wireless homes and office of the future. G5 technology is able to transfer gigabytes of data within a second, and therefore it can be used for huge data files transmission, and it is expected that this chipset results HDMI cables and could develop wireless home and office of the future. Office appliances, it is as I said, it is transfers data at high speed that made work very easy. Information, video information transfer. It can transfer at a speed of gigabytes per second. Conclusion. Within 5 years, we can accept G5 to be a dominant technology for wireless networking. By that time, it will be fully mobile as well as providing low cost, high broadband access with very high speed large files swapped within a seconds, which will develop wireless homes and office of the future. These are the references. Thank you.
Okay, Sai Kiran, it was fine. Rohit and Harsha, do you have any doubts with the concept what Sai Kiran has explained?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,